Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you are fine. Let we discuss the topic is vitamin A. What is vitamin A? Vitamin A refers to a group of compounds that include both tocopherols and tocotrienols. They are naturally occurring antioxidants. It is also called anti-aging factor. The word tocopherol is derived from the word toco means childbirth and feros means to bear. It is yellow, oily liquid, fairly soluble in fat solvent. Tocopherol have been obtained the natural sources. You see the diagrams, NUS, FIFA, etc. Metabolic action of vitamin A. Free radicals such as superoxide, hydroxyl ions, and nitric oxide all contain an unpaired electrons. These radicals can have a negative effect on cells, causing oxidative damage that leads to cell death. Antioxidants such as vitamin A prevent cell damage by binding to the free radical and neutralizing its unpaired electron. For example, when vitamin E binds to TOBLO or O2, they form an intermediate structure that is converted to a tocopheroquinone. A recent population-based study of antioxidants concluded that a diet rich in food containing vitamin E might help protect some people against Alzheimer's disease (AD). Vitamin A is a form of supplements was not associated with a reduction in the risk of AD. Vitamin A metabolic gallbladder bile vitamin A vitamin in tocopherol lymphatic vesicle tocopherol combined with glycomaccron and VRDL store in liver most of tissue more in fatty tissue cellular membrane and last is intestine efficient absorption in jejunum. Okay students, the topic is end. Okay, bye bye.